So we are staying at Old City, Chiang Mai, which is extremely beautiful, full of temples and pagodas, a lake, quite a happening place. So this is the street. We have already entered the night market. We are going to explore today.
We have ordered these barbecue ribs. Thank you. Okay, so we are at Kalale Night Market.
Yeah, and this is a spot where there are 4, 5 night markets all together. If you are interested in exploring night markets in Chiang Mai and you have less time, then you can come here and you will get 4 night markets all attached to each other. Kalari Night Market, which we are now
Chiang Mai
at.
Night Market and
Anusan Night Market, Don Rudy Night Market.
yes,
Yeah.
there are lots of night markets. So
Yes. So
it's kind of only one night market.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter the name and everything.
yeah,
You have to come here and just enjoy the moment and feel the vibe.
and eat food.
Yes, obviously, eat food. And we have ordered something for us. And now I'm totally hungry as usual.
So coming to Thailand or just planning for it excites us so much. Like whatever region we plan to explore, we know that we will get to eat great food.
Food is the most important thing for us, and also I think for everyone as well.
Yes, I think we are more crazy to try out new cuisines, and whatever region we go, it's always something different. Like they have so much variety. We have explored the southern part, the eastern part of Thailand, and we will explore the west. But we have almost explored the lower region, and now we are at northern region, and the food tastes absolutely different from other parts. And I feel the food here is more fresh. There are new cuisines.
Yes,
here.
new cuisine and something different.
Yes, everywhere you go, there will be something different, a new thing we will try out, and it will turn out to be our favorite.
Yes. With this potato, there's so much smoky.
And as usual, this will become the best tried cuisine in Thailand. Every time we try a new
Yes.
thing, it becomes the best tried and cuisine. So
Yes.
basically, everything we eat, we love.
Yes. Everything. Let's concentrate on food. This is great.
This is Halloween special. Looking good. So you can shop here, you can buy your dinner, you can eat on the run, or you can sit on one of the tables arranged here. And if you're too tired of exploring all these markets, you can,
Massage as well.
yeah,
Just I like. Oh God, it was.
you feel
awesome.
so relaxed and
Yes.
energized after the massage. I did my back massage, my shoulder.
And I did my feet massage.
Yeah, he did shoulder, back, and head, all everything included. In for half an hour, we spent to relax, and then now we are again up for exploring more markets. If you're bored of eating
My
less
biggest-
interesting
and-
food,
yes.
you can just try
And my-
out one of these.
And my biggest fear is centipede. And here they have the largest centipede I have ever seen. Oh my God.
So you should eat one,
No way.
and the fear will be gone.
No way.
The food options here are incredible.
Yes, all fresh food, fresh seafood. Let's cross. Over here, you can buy some souvenirs.
come and sing and locals come and dance. I think you can also participate and dance on one of their songs. It's really amazing. You will have a great time in Chiang Mai for sure. This is first day and I'm already so excited.
Yeah.
Watching all these things and people are extremely cool over here.
McDonald's, not stadium.
Stadium now? Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay, so he gave us this.
Yeah.
There is a Thai fighting over there.
Oh wow.
Yes. The stadium,
Night
I think,
bazaar.
yeah, night bazaar
Pavilion.
on 29th, like today
Oh.
at 9 p.m. Start
What
at
is the
9
time
p.m.
now?
9:30. It's 7 p.m. only. 7:45.
Yeah. We should go and watch, huh?
Yeah. And it's return ticket for ringside 1000 baht and standard for 600 baht.
So we have crossed the Kalari Night Bazaar and just in front of Kalari Night Bazaar there is one more market. You can see. This is the one. So basically it is full of the garments and clothes made by local people. And you will get little bit of food and everything here, but it's small. So this was Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, and this street is full of clothes, souvenirs, jewelry. Quite a happening place. Huh? This is Pha Plon Market. I just love the Halloween decoration.
Yes, we are in this market right now.
And look at the Halloween decoration. We love
Yes,
Thailand
yes,
when
yes,
it's
yes,
Halloween.
Oh wow. Thailand food never disappoint you.
Yeah. Especially they have the variety in taste. You will get what you want. If you want too spicy, you will get it. If you want less spicy, you will get it.
And choice is yours.
I think I like Chiang Mai more now.
Because of the vibe and everything.
Yes. I did not expect night market to be so happening over here.
Yes.
It is almost like Bangkok.
Yeah. But in Bangkok, night markets and everything are too far from each other.
Yes.
And over here, everything is
at one place.
one place.
I just love it. There are 4 night markets which I have mentioned are together.
Vibe is different.
Vibe is totally different.
Yeah.
And check out each and every night
Yes.
market because there will be something or the other different thing happening in every night market.
Every corner over here. Actually. Night markets over here is in front of each other. Like you just need to cross road. Night market is just behind the other one.
Each and every night market has a different stage.
Yes.
Performances. This is absolutely
Awesome.
yeah.
House way.
House Way is a dish
Yeah.
famous in northern Thailand. Just how Pad Thai is famous in Bangkok and
know
Pad
that.
Thai is
Okay.
the main dish of Bangkok and the areas nearby.
Okay.
So House Way is the kind of a Pad Thai for northern Thailand. And it's really delicious.
Yes. We tried.
We
I
tried,
want
but we didn't shoot because we were too hungry.
Yes. We have more days over here, so we can explore
And
we can show you.
try out and we can share our experience
Yes.
with you. Now we have come at Anusan Night Market, which is also the last night market of all 4 night markets that we are gonna explore. And it seems bigger. There are excellent food options and there is more than just food in here. So let's explore. This is a different section of Anusan Night Market where you will get excellent collection of souvenirs. All handmade items, clothes, hats, jewelry, bags. As you go ahead, you will see this chill square of Anusan Market where the local dance, and you can chill here. You can have your food, juice, fruits, coconut water. Excellent. Wow, beautiful.
Pineapple rice with pork and chicken.
Your heroes begun, orders begin. All I
We thank you for sharing this day with us in a hope to aspire your next vacation. We would like to take a leave today.
If you love this video, give us a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and don't miss any vlog of Travel with Ed and Ross.
Bye.
Bye!
for